students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. This session will give you an idea about the origin of Greek theatre. The word theatre has its roots in theomai and theatron. Theomai means to see and theatron, which literally signify the auditorium or space for the audience. The very first records of Greek theatre come from Athens from the 6th century BC. The Greek theatre evolved from the early religious festivals held in honor of the Greek god Dionysius. The festivals were performed during the first week of seasonal changes. The city Dionysia, the rural Dionysia, and the Linnea were major festivals that were held in ancient Greece in honor of the god Dionysius. Dionysius, in Greek mythology, he was the son of Zeus. He was the nature god, god of fruitfulness, vegetation, and especially known as the god of wine and ecstasy. It was believed that he could inspire men with creativity, so he came to be considered as a patron of arts. So what about this city Dionysia? City Dionysia, also known as Great Dionysia, was one of the major drama festivals held in Athens. It was held in March or early April. It was centered on the temple and theatre of god Dionysius. The principal features of city Dionysia were established by the Athenian ruler Pisistratus. The central event of this festival was the dramatic performances. Every year, 3 tragedians competed for a prize, and each submitted 4 plays on one day. And 5 comic poets also competed for another prize, each submitted 1 play. The 4 plays by tragedians comprised 3 tragedies and a satyr play. These 4 plays formed a tetralogy because they were connected in theme. The set of 3 tragedies formed a trilogy. The plays performed, however, were not religious in theme. Their content had no connection with Dionysius. Now let's take a look at the different aspects of the festival. The festival lasted for 5 days. The first day of the festival featured a procession to the theatre of Dionysius. After that, the chorus would start dithyrambic competitions. Dithyramb is a form of non-dramatic choral song. The next day, the competing dramatists paraded with their actors and choruses and announced the theme of their plays. And the plays were performed over the next 3 days. What about the audience? The plays were mass entertainment. These plays were performed before an audience of several thousand drawn from all social classes. The festival was presided over by the principal archon or magistrate. The competing dramatists were selected by the magistrate. At the end of the festival, prizes were also awarded for the winners of this drama competition. And the prize giving was taken very seriously. The method of selecting judges was complicated. And however, 5 odds determined the winner. Prizes were also awarded for the best tragic protagonist as well as for the best tragedian. The method of selecting judges was complicated. However, 5 odds determined the winner. And it is Thespis who was considered as the first theatrical contest winner. Now, what about the actors? All actors were male. The actors were accompanied by chorus. Chorus, according to M.H. Abrams, was a group of people wearing masks who sang or chanted verses while performing dance-like movements at religious festivals. So that's about City Dionysia or Great Dionysia. Another major festival was the rural Dionysia. The rural Dionysia was held in the villages of Attica, the territory of Athens. It was usually held in December. At the rural Dionysia, there were contests of dancing and singing. There were also dithyrambs performed by chorus. What about the Lenaya? Lenaya was another major festival of Dionysius. It was held around the beginning of February. It was an occasion for dramatic competitions in the theatre of Dionysius. At Lenaya, both tragedy and comedy were staged. So that's about the three major festivals that were held in ancient Greece in honor of god Dionysius. These festivals in turn inspired the dramatic genres of tragedy, comedy, and satire plays to emerge. Each of these forms will be analyzed in detail in the next session. Please do answer the question, and thank you so much for paying attention.